So we're here like in North America, Miami, CosmoProf. So we're here with Mr. Wave. So Miss Wave here, they're presenting a hair dryers and they have a cool stuff. So I got attention. This machine got my attention. What is this? I see the red LEDs. Where is this?
It's hair steamer.
What is that?
Micro mist hair steamer.
What it does? What
It does for it does hair treatments for customers and like hydrations for the hair, and then also infrared.
Infrared. What the infrared good for?
So it improves the metabolism of the hair.
Uh-huh.
So it just makes you grow healthier hair, and also it has the ozone.
And also, what does that mean?
Ozone, that means like it produces O3. You know, the chemical, like chemistry, O3, ozone, that kills, like targets hair, scalp problems, like bacteria kills bacteria and fungus on the hair.
I see, for the scalp.
Yeah.
Okay, so I heard the red LED lights help to regrow the hair. That's true?
They still need scientific stats to prove that it really does help to grow hair. But in general, it improves the health of your hair and scalp.
So basically what you're saying is the moment you improve your scalp, automatically your hair started growing healthier and better. So basically the more you treat your scalp, let's say if you have a burned skin, you cannot do nothing. But you have a dry skin, so you definitely can repair it. So he says with LED, the red light, it helps you to repair the skin. It brings the skin to moist, to recover, and helps you if you're using the right product, it helps you to recover the products. So definitely guys, the LED we know in the market helps a lot. The infrared helps to scalp and skin. Definitely look forward. If there's some salons are offering this, you should do this treatment. Like, you know, you cannot tell by one time, see the difference. You have to try at least 4 or 5 times, see the difference. You cannot say one time and I'm expecting a miracle. You know, guys, it's not realistic. You have to give it a try. And I hope of some salons that are selling packages, you can take those packages and try it. So definitely recommend it. So question now, that's good pointer. So about what's difference between the hair dryers, one of them like this, one of them like this, what's the difference?
So this one's a hair color processor.
Hair color process. Okay.
Chemicals for hair coloring, you know, hair dyeing.
Right. And what are the other ones?
Other ones, you know, this one, it goes around in circle, 360 degree. So if you have longer hair that's below your shoulders, you definitely choose this one. This one, you can go for shorter hair.
Shorter hair.
And also if customers have hair on the forehead, you go with this one because this one can go around in the forehead. If you do treatments I'll put the chemicals at the forehead.
Beautiful. Question now, what's the cost this for salons today, average in the salon market?
So this thing we wholesale it for $160 at a quantity above 10 units, and that's a normal price for us.
What the question is, how much they sell in the US as not as a distributor, as a salon, how much it should be worth it, the price range?
So it depends on the distributor who distribute them. So if they have a strong brandings and strong marketing team, they can. Some of our distributors in the US can sell this at $600 to $800. So a huge profit.
So basically, be honest with you, it's not a bargain because offering a new service in your salon, people love it. Some other salons don't have it. You know, that's the first thing you want to do. Have something new, no other salons have. That's why you can attract new customers. The people keep it interested. And also, repairing the scalp, it's no bargain because scalp, they apply colors, blow dries, shampoos, they're torching the scalp. So you always have to do treatments to your scalp to make sure you have a good hair and good scalp and not dry scalp to have a good hair. So if you have a good hair, you're gonna have a good hair day. So thank you for information about those things. What's it gonna cost for this? I guess this one is the same amount, right? $700 to $800 for salons?
This one, we wholesale it for $260 to $280. It depends on the quantity you are ordering.
And this one?
This one, it's pretty similar to $280.
And I like this one. It's a beautiful, it's something beautiful, unique design.
Yes, this is a coated hair dryer designed from Italy.
Italy?
Yes.
And what's special about it versus to other ones?
So aesthetically, it's like a more retro, vintage design for the hair salon, and yeah, it does the hair drying job. It's called a hooded hair dryer, and it also has the ionic function that protects your hair from heat.
So what's ionic for?
So ionic to produce negative ions while drying hair. So it reduces static electricity on your hair. You know, when you like in the winter, you have your
Right, the sweater starts like. That's beautiful. And what's the cost for this?
so this one we are asking for around 160 to 170 US dollars.
So I guess it's like the distributor will sell to salons about $700 to $600. Depends on the distributor.
The service.
Right.
It's on distributor service. If they give you long guarantee, of course they're gonna make.
Like that one Circle 2 was it's like an old school one and they renewed it.
Yeah, this one has a bigger hood, so it's really popular in the black people salon.
Yeah, for the relaxers and for the
Yeah, for the curling and hair perming.
perms.
Yes, perms.
So what I like about this too, this one it looks stable, it's good. It's not like So question, what those holes for?
So those for brushes,
Oh,
hair dryers.
hair dryer. So this one for hair dryer, right?
Yeah, hair dryers. And this one for brushes and those hair coloring brushes.
Right. So what does cost for this?
This one it's our new product, new launch to the market. We are asking for $50 for the wholesale price.
Great.
So this one has an aluminum pen, so you can basically stand the person or sit the person on it, and no problem.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Well, yeah, so okay, guys, we're here in CosmoProf North America, Miami. Thank you for what's your name?
My name is John.
John. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for the interview. It's beautiful information. We got a lot of knowledge here today, guys. I'm sure things you didn't know, you guys know today. Thank you very much for information.